हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे दीक्षा प्लेटफॉर्म में जो आईसीएससी टीचर के लिए ट्रेनिंग चल रहा है उसका थर्ड सब्जेक्ट डेवलपिंग पीएसक्यू फॉर क्रिएटिंग ए सेफ एंड हेल्दी स्कूल। उस सब्जेक्ट में जो क्विज टेस्ट है उसको आज लाइव अपीयर करेंगे। तो ये वीडियो इंफॉर्मेटिव होने वाला है, इसलिए आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल में तो मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। उसके साथ बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। आई कौशिक सर वेलकम यू टू योर फेवरेट चैनल कंप्यूटर गुरु। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, टीचर कैन कम्युनिकेट जीनियस कंसर्न एंड इंटरेस्ट टू स्टूडेंट बाय ऑप्शन इज मेकिंग eye contact, giving them preference in activities, letting them have their way, always not questioning their action. Answer is making eye contact. फिर next, which of the following are the characteristics of a sensitive teacher? First option is being in tune to needs and problem of student, being able to monitor oneself and other all the time, being conscious of one's own needs, being hurt by criticism and evaluation. Answer will be being in tune to need and problem of student. Next is empathy is the ability to first option reason with yourself and other, feel and think like someone else, understand your own self, feel sorry for other. Answer is feel and think like someone else. Okay, then next question, the ability or competence of being able to see situations from other person's point of view is known as. First option is conflict handling, second perspective taking, reality testing, sympathetic behavior. The ability or competence of being able to see situations from another person's point of view is known as conflict handling, perspective taking, reality testing, sympathetic behavior. Answer will be perspective taking. Then next, in case of conflict among group of children, which strategy would be applied as a teacher? First option, leave the matter to solve on its own, use your authority and decide the issue, facilitate a dialogue among children, refer the matter to the school principal. Answer will be facilitate a dialogue among children. Then next, teachers need to foster a positive classroom climate for students to feel. Option will be protected and unsure, isolated and watchful, secluded and cautious, safe and accepted. Answer will be safe and accepted. The next, qualities and skills of teachers that promote creating healthy environment in school or classrooms are sensitivity and care, sympathy and care, sensitivity and apprehension, sensitivity and control. Answer will be sensitivity and care. The next, which of these are not the characteristics of an effective helper? First option, facilitating understanding of emotions, solving the problems for the individuals, helping in decision making, facilitating behavior change. Answer will be solving the problem for the individual. Next, the skill of attentive listening requires a teacher to attend to students' all behavior and action, verbal expression, non-verbal expression. Answer is all. The next, a teacher can portray or depict the quality of sensitivity by expressing ideas and judging others, being aware of feeling and thought of others, having the ability to work with others, taking opinion of others. Answer will be being aware of feeling and thought of other. The next, okay, see here, total question number 10, question answered 10, क्वेश्चन स्किप्ड 0। मतलब मैं 10 से 10 क्वेश्चन को अटेंड किया हूँ। तो चलिए इसको सबमिट करते हैं और मार्क देखते हैं कितना सिक्योर हुआ है। तो मैं सबमिट कर दिया। यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है स्कोर 10 आउट ऑफ 10। मतलब मैं इस क्विज टेस्ट में 100% सिक्योर किया। तो आप सब बिना स्किप किए बिगिनिंग से एंड तक देखिए, क्वेश्चन और आंसर को नोट कीजिए और अपना अपना टेस्ट दीजिए ताकि आप भी 100% मार्क सिक्योर कर सकें। उसके साथ अगर मेरा ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, उसके साथ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए, क्योंकि अगर आप बेल आइकन को नहीं दबाते हैं तो आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन नहीं मिल पाएगा। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू, हैव ए गुड डे।